This has been a good and value argument many people have when we talk about sous vide. And the reality is that sous vide can get really expensive. And I understand. Some sous vide cookers can get over the thousands, and most of the recognized names people use on the regular basis can be very inaccurate when we talk about temperature, time to heat up, and so on. And on top of that, you need to add pots, racks, weight, torches, grills, and so on.
Oh my God!
That's why I decided to buy the cheapest sous vide cooker in Amazon and give it a try using what I will normally use when making sous vide at home. By the way, before Jims get mad, let me clarify a few things.
Who the heck is Jim?
Jesus, Jim is crazy. This machine was purchased with my own money. I have no idea who this company is and neither care to research before buying it. All I wanted was the cheapest sous vide cooker, and this is what I got. With all that out of the way, we will be taking this cooker for a ride and try and make these amazing steaks I just got from my favorite store, Broward Meat and Fish. If you are in the South Florida area, I will strongly recommend you to check them out. And with the rising prices on meat, lately it's almost impossible to find good quality meat without paying an arm and a leg. That's why I recommend them all the time, since they have some of the best quality meats at some of the best prices in the entire South Florida. I've done these steaks before with my other sous vide cookers, and I know they come out very nice, so that part is covered. And based on all my previous experiences, we will find out if this cheap version of a cooker can do at least a similar job. Now, there is a few things I should say about this cooker, but first, let's check out this box. It looks like one of those clones from China, and if you pay attention to the box, it says some weird things. I know, I should be the last person in the world laughing about accents and stuff like that, but this thing is hilarious. Opening the box, we can see that the packaging is actually really nice. Here we have the cooker itself and the cable. It has this clamp in the back instead of a screw holder. I guess they are saving some money by doing that. The rest of the controllers are similar to what we are used to see in other cookers. It also has an app. Watch out, ANOVA! As you can see, they promote on the product box their app, but there is no mention of the name of the app or how to get it. So I went to the website and found a page that only talks about the app, but when I tried to download it from the link they provide, it doesn't even exist. So no app. You can breathe now, ANOVA. To make it as fair as possible, I will set it up in my big container, as this is what I use in many of my own cooks at home. And let's see how long does it take to heat up 15 liters of water. Something to know, if you want to go manually with this cooker, you will need to work out your fingers, as this thing goes up and down degree by degree. Also, if you already have cooking pots, as I do, the cover won't fit. That's because the cooker itself is square, and most of the pot covers out there have a semicircular form. I'm sure they will come out with a cheap solution for that too. One cool thing this has is that besides making noise when the water is up to temperature, it also has some visual signals. This little light at the top of the cooker will change from blue to green when the water is ready to go. Also, it will change color to red once the time you set in the cooker is being reached. Watch out, ANOVA! Okay, while the water is heating up, let's get the steaks ready. For that, I will take the steaks into my bags and add some oils and spices to them. Vacuum seal them and set them aside while the sous vide cooker is getting ready. And oh my god, this cooker just took 15 minutes to heat up these 15 liters or 4 gallons of water. That is fast! Watch out, ANOVA! Man, that was so fast that I'm scared to touch this thing. Do you think it's gonna electrocute the heck out of me if I touch it? Let's see. No, just kidding. The water is hot, but no electrocution this time. I know you wanted to see some action, huh? You know what? Let me know in the comments if you thought I was electrocuting. Well. This cook is going smoothly and fast. Let's set the meat in there and let it cook for 1.5 hours at 130 degrees or 55 degrees Celsius. While the steaks are cooking, I will make some fries, but not just regular fries, steak fries. Check this out. Crispy. The difference between French fries and steak fries is the shape. Steak fries are cut into wedges, and they will be bigger but a bit thinner than your regular French fries. Yes, I wash them well and I will leave the skin on. That will make them tastier and potatoey, and it will add crunchiness to the end result. After cutting, place them in cold water so it can release some of that starch and sugar, but make sure you dry them well before they cook. And for the oil, we don't have any oil to fry our potatoes. We have the best fat money can buy. Guayu tallow, baby! I got this together with the cooker from Amazon, and you should really try and make your next fries with Guayu tallow. This is fat from Mars cows. Well, I will add the tallow to the pot and set it on the fire, so we can get it all to about 320 degrees or 160 Celsius. If you don't have a thermometer, that's okay. As soon as you drop one in there and it starts bubbling like that, you are ready to go. And this is my favorite trick. Double fried is the best way to make sure the end result will be the crunchiest and delicious as it can be. The trick is to start with the oil or tallow lower in temperature. That's why the 320 I mentioned before. The idea is to cook them first to the point that they start getting a bit golden outside. Once it's there, take them out and let them rest for a bit. While the fries rest, it is time to crack the temperature up to 350 degrees, that is 175 Celsius, and fry them again. Always do it in small batches as we want the tallow to keep its temperature. The idea with the double fried fries is for them to cook inside first and then develop the crunchiness all the way in the second cook. If done well, this is what you should get. That's what you're supposed to get with this double fried. This thing is awesome, guys. This is good stuff. Back to the steaks. The red light went red and we are ready to take them out of the bath. They look just like any other steak will look after sous vide, so let's pat them dry and finish them on the grill. For that, I got my Weber grill flaming hot and set the steaks right over the fire. For me, the grill is one of the best options to finish sous vide steaks. You can have the best of both worlds. A great steak cooking sous vide with the amazing charcoal flavor we all love. Well, guys, what do you think about this beauty we have here? I think it came out perfect, man.
I think it did too. And for 40 bucks, woohoo!
It smells really good, guys. Now is the fire test. We're gonna give it a try and see what's up.
Me too. I can't wait to try the fries. I'm here for the fries.
Let's see how tender this is. Let's see.
Whee! Tender.
There's one for her.
There you go. Let's go.
Man, it's so hot, so humid, so nasty here right now. It's like we're living underwater here, man.
You look like you just...
Look at this thing.
Ninja look like he just jumped in the pool. And look at my glasses.
Wow.
That's really good.
Miss Ninja.
What?
Guys, this thing is delicious, brother.
Ninja approved.
This thing is good. I mean, the only main problem that I have with that sous vide machine right there would be the fingery.
The fingery.
There is no app, and you have to hit that thing for each degree or each minute that you want to go up and down.
Okay.
All these fingers are real tired, and this guy fell asleep a long time ago. So everybody's tired here. I had to work out my fingers. You know, one of those like...
What the heck?
You got the dumbbells. You have to work out your fingers. And now let's give it a try.
Oh my God, I can't wait. Yes.
Oh,
Oh, I'm telling you.
Guys,
That wagyu, it takes it to the next level.
those fries are awesome. The taste of that wagyu, you can feel the tallow taste in there. It's really good.
Very good. Everything's perfect.
Now, I will have to leave, guys, because this thing, I need to take a shower right now. Look at this.
Let's jump in the pool.
Look at this. I need those product hairs now. Look at this. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. But before that, let me ask you something.
Oh my gosh, my glasses.
Did we make you hungry?
Did we?
If we made you hungry, you have to hit us with the like.
Lots of likes.
Subscribe to the channel, share with your
Yes,
friends and
do
family,
so.
and leave your comments down there. Would you buy that thing? Would you give it a try for $40? It's
I
less
would.
than $40. I think it's good, man. You guys let me know. There is no more excuse for not doing Sous Vide because the machines are too expensive or something like that. No more excuse for that. That's all for today. But remember that. I'm wet and I love you.
Love you too. Thanks for watching.
Look at
I
this.
will see you in the next one, guys.
Look at this, man.
This is crazy.
Let me get some steaks.
Me too.
Woo.
Let's eat.